Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to change Instagram name. So for this, go for your profile, go for edit profile, then this is your name. So now you can edit your name from here. When you are done, just go for in this check. Then after that, your name will be changed. So this is how you can change Instagram name. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.